Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to open a PDF in Dochub. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and navigate to dochub.com. Once you're on the page, sign into your account if you haven't already. This will give you access to all of Dochub's document editing features and allow you to manage your PDF files. After successfully logging in, you'll land on Dochub's main dashboard screen. This is your central hub for managing all your documents. Now, to open a PDF in Dochub, direct your attention to the left navigation menu. You'll see a button labeled New Document. Go ahead and click on it. This will prompt a window to appear where you can add a file to process. Click on Select Files, and a File Explorer window will pop up on your screen. This lets you browse through your computer's folders to locate the exact PDF you want to work with. Simply navigate to where your PDF is stored, select the file you wish to open, and then click Open. Now you'll need to wait a moment while the upload process completes. Depending on the size of your PDF, this might take just a few seconds or a bit longer for larger files. Once the upload finishes, look at the bottom part of the window and click on Create Document. This action processes your PDF and prepares it for editing within Dochub's system. You'll now be redirected to the Document Editor page. Within this page, you'll see the full content of your PDF file displayed on screen. The great thing here is that you can freely edit, annotate, and modify your PDF directly within Dochub's editor. This gives you the flexibility to fill out forms, add signatures, highlight text, or make any other changes you need without having to download additional software. And that's it. You've successfully opened your PDF in Dochub and now have access to all the editing tools the platform offers. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.